In this video, I am going to explain how to fix the Telegram account auto-delete problem. First, I should tell you that if you are active on Telegram, but your account still disappears, it could be due to an official ban. If you share mod APKs or suspicious links, Telegram's systems might flag you for spam or copyright violations. Another reason is number recycling. If your phone number previously belonged to someone else, the account might still be linked to their old settings. The second reason is inactivity. If your account was deleted because you weren't active, I have a solution. First, click on the hamburger icon, the 3 lines, on the left side and select Settings. From there, scroll down to Privacy and Security. Scroll down again to find the option Delete my account if away for. Click it and set the duration to 24 months. That's it. Your auto-delete problem is solved.